Dana here, and let's make some more football food. I know it's football season. Y'all need some good recipes. Let's do some El Gando. It starts out with 2 pounds of ground beef. All right, another thing we gotta do to get this pulled together is to make some yellow rice. Y'all, yellow rice is called yellow rice. The yellow is different flavorings and seasonings that are in there. And you do need yellow rice, not regular rice. If you do, it throws off the taste. Follow the directions on the back. El Gando is on page, let me see, 49 in my cookbook, Happiness is Homemade, y'all. This is available on Amazon. Just go get you one off Amazon. You can get it as a print book or an ebook. So y'all go grab you one. You're gonna need these. We're gonna be cooking a lot together. Let me tell you how to stretch this. If you've got a lot of extra people to feed, buy 2 of these and just add extra rice to it. And I wanna show y'all that it really is beautiful yellow rice. It smells so good. Look at that. Oops, let me flip it over this way. We'll get that drained. There's not. All right, I got that done. What are we gonna do next? We have got to add stuff in here. You're gonna need a pack of chili seasoning or taco seasoning, your choice. I'm using Texas Street taco seasoning from y'all. I'm gonna add 1 can, juice and all, of diced tomatoes. I love chunky tomatoes in mine, I just do. And then I'm going to put, you're supposed to put 2 cans of those, but y'all, I like Rotel so much. Instead of 1 can of Rotel, I'm adding 2. All right, now we're just gonna stir this together. Okay, I gotta turn this back up because our goal right now is to cook the juice out. And when we're cooking the juice out, it'll concentrate the tomato flavor. Y'all are gonna love it. The next thing we gotta do is the cheese layer. Cheddar soup is what we're gonna do next. And then we're gonna put half a cup of milk. Add the half a cup of milk. Y'all, this is so easy to throw together. So we're gonna stir this together and then we're gonna pop this in the microwave. Put it down here and heat it up for about a minute. Y'all, this is looking really good. One big family meal, I'll do a 9 by 13. And y'all know what a 9 by 13 looks like. This is it on something. Let me see if that's smoking. It is. Well, I gotta get a better spoon than that. Let me see. So you've got the meat in there. Then we're gonna put the rice. All right, we're gonna put another layer of this. Ooh, baby. Okay, y'all can see how this is gonna be good. And then layer of the cheddar soup that we've heated up. Y'all, this is so good and creamy. And then we're gonna put some cheese on it. And we're gonna let this baby melt, and this is lunch. Look at that. Look at that. Don't you want some of this for your football games? That's what we're eating this weekend. Let me go in and taste. Oh, I gotta get a bite of everything. I love that rice. And y'all, every grocery store has that rice. It's not a mystery. All right, here we go. Big crunch. Go team. That's what I say to that. Y'all, this is delicious. Oh man. Y'all, you know you're gonna love this. Y'all need to get my book. Y'all know you want to make it. All right now, y'all know what I always tell you. The good Lord, He loves you a lot. He's given us stuff to make all this and gave us a great sunrise this morning. And y'all know I love you too. And we have fun in the kitchen. Y'all go make you some El Gando. You're gonna love it. And your people will love it too when you feed it to them. All right, love and blessings to y'all. Bye now.